Since ancient times, we have gazed at the night sky, wondering what lies beyond the stars, beyond the horizon of our understanding. The universe, vast and mysterious, has always beckoned us to explore its depths, to uncover its secrets, and to answer the timeless question, what is out there? From the earliest civilizations to the cutting-edge technology of today, humanity's quest to understand the cosmos has been a journey of awe, discovery, and profound transformation. And now, as we stand on the brink of a new era in space exploration, the universe is revealing its secrets in ways that are both shocking and deeply emotional. Imagine, for a moment, stepping away from our world. What would you see? How does the Earth, with its deserts, oceans, mountains, and floodplains, fit into the grand tapestry of the cosmos? What connects our planet to the other worlds in our solar system, to the stars that light up our night sky, and to the galaxies that stretch out into infinity? These questions have driven humanity's curiosity for millennia, and today we are closer than ever to finding the answers. The journey to understand the universe began with the ancient Greeks, who saw the heavens as a realm of gods and celestial spheres. Aristotle believed that our Earth lay at the center of 55 concentric spheres, each moving in perfect harmony to predict the positions of the planets and stars. To him, the heavens were made of a pure, divine substance, untouched by the imperfections of our world. But even then, there were those who dared to question. Anaxagoras, a Greek philosopher, suggested that meteors were not divine omens, but fragments of Earth itself, hurled into the sky by natural forces. These early thinkers laid the foundation for science, but they could never have imagined the revelations that awaited us. Fast forward to the 16th century, when Nicholas Copernicus shattered the ancient belief in an Earth-centered universe. He proposed that our planet, along with the others, revolved around the sun. This radical idea not only redefined our place in the cosmos, but also opened the door to a new understanding of the universe's scale. Copernicus realized that the stars were not just distant lights, but suns like our own, scattered across an unimaginable expanse. The universe, it seemed, was far larger than anyone had dared to imagine. Then came Galileo Galilei, who in 1609 turned his telescope to the heavens and forever changed our view of the cosmos. He saw that the Milky Way, that faint band of light stretching across the night sky, was not a celestial river, but a vast collection of stars. Centuries later, astronomers discovered that the Milky Way itself was just one of countless galaxies, each containing billions of stars. The universe was no longer an island of stars, but an endless ocean of galaxies stretching out in every direction. But the revelations didn't stop there. In the early 20th century, Edwin Hubble made a discovery that would shake the foundations of cosmology. Using the powerful 100-inch telescope on Mount Wilson, he observed that distant galaxies were moving away from us, and the farther away they were, the faster they receded. This observation led to the groundbreaking realization that the universe is expanding. It was as if the cosmos itself was stretching, growing larger with every passing moment. This discovery gave birth to the Big Bang theory, the idea that the universe began as a single, unimaginably dense point, and has been expanding ever since. The Big Bang theory revolutionized our understanding of the universe, but it also raised new questions. How did the universe grow so large? Why is it so uniform on such vast scales? And what lies beyond the edge of the observable universe? These questions have driven scientists to push the boundaries of knowledge, using cutting-edge technology and groundbreaking theories to explore the cosmos. One of the most profound discoveries in recent decades came from the Cosmic Background Explorer, COBE, satellite, launched in 1989. COBE captured the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, a cosmic microwave background radiation that permeates the universe. This radiation, a relic of the universe's infancy, contains tiny fluctuations that reveal the seeds of all the structures we see today: stars, galaxies, and the vast cosmic web that connects them. It was as if we had found a snapshot of the universe just moments after its birth. But the story doesn't end there. In the years since COBE, astronomers have used increasingly powerful telescopes and supercomputers to map the universe in unprecedented detail. They have discovered that galaxies are not randomly scattered, but arranged in vast filaments and walls, separated by enormous voids. This cosmic web, stretching across billions of light years, is the largest structure in the universe, a testament to the forces that shaped it over billions of years. And yet, even as we uncover these secrets, the universe continues to surprise us. In the late 1990s, astronomers made a shocking discovery. The expansion of the universe is accelerating. This unexpected finding suggested the existence of a mysterious force, now called dark energy, that is driving the universe apart. Dark energy, which makes up about 70% of the universe, remains one of the greatest mysteries in science. What is it? Where does it come from? And what does it mean for the future of the cosmos? But dark energy is just one piece of the puzzle. Another mystery lies in the nature of dark matter, an invisible substance that makes up about 25% of the universe. Dark matter does not emit light or interact with ordinary matter, yet its gravitational pull shapes the cosmos, holding galaxies together and guiding their movements. Despite decades of research, dark matter remains elusive, a ghostly presence that defies detection. As we grapple with these mysteries, new technologies are opening up even more possibilities for discovery. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in 2021, is peering deeper into space than ever before, capturing images of galaxies that formed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. These observations are not only revealing the early history of the universe, but also challenging our understanding of how galaxies form and evolve. Meanwhile, missions like NASA's Perseverance rover are exploring the surface of Mars, searching for signs of ancient life and paving the way for human exploration. The dream of sending humans to Mars, once the stuff of science fiction, is now within reach, with plans for crewed missions in the 2030s. And beyond Mars, the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, such as Europa and Enceladus, offer tantalizing hints of subsurface oceans that could harbor life. But space exploration is not just about discovering new worlds, it's also about understanding our own. Satellites orbiting Earth are monitoring climate change, tracking deforestation, and providing early warnings of natural disasters. They remind us that our planet is a fragile oasis, a tiny speck in the vastness of space, and that we have a responsibility to protect it. As we continue to explore the universe, we are also confronting profound questions about our place in it. Are we alone? Is there life beyond Earth? And what does the future hold for humanity in the cosmos? These questions are not just scientific, they are deeply emotional, touching on our hopes, fears, and dreams. They remind us that space exploration is not just a journey of discovery, but also a journey of self-discovery. And so, as we stand on the threshold of a new era in space exploration, we are filled with a sense of wonder and possibility. The universe, once thought to be static and unchanging, is now revealed as a dynamic, evolving entity filled with mysteries waiting to be uncovered. From the Big Bang to the cosmic web, from dark matter to dark energy, the cosmos is a story still being written, and we are its authors. But the most shocking revelation of all may be this. The universe is not just out there. It is within us. The atoms that make up our bodies were forged in the hearts of stars, and the energy that powers our world is a remnant of the Big Bang. We are not separate from the cosmos, we are a part of it, connected to the stars and galaxies in ways we are only beginning to understand. So as we gaze at the night sky, let us remember that we are not just observers of the universe, we are participants in its story. And as we continue to explore, to question, and to dream, we are not just uncovering the secrets of the cosmos, we are uncovering the secrets of ourselves. The journey is far from over, and the universe, with all its wonders and mysteries, is waiting. What will we discover next? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, the adventure has just begun. The universe is not just a vast expanse of stars and galaxies. It is a living, breathing entity, constantly evolving and revealing new wonders. Every discovery we make peels back another layer of its infinite complexity, leaving us in awe of its grandeur. Take, for instance, the recent detection of gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of space-time caused by cataclysmic events like the collision of black holes. First predicted by Albert Einstein over a century ago, these waves were finally observed in 2015 by the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, LIGO. This groundbreaking discovery opened up an entirely new way of observing the universe, allowing us to listen to the cosmos in ways we never could before. It's as if the universe itself is speaking to us, whispering its secrets through the vibrations of space-time. But the surprises don't end there. In 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope collaboration unveiled the first ever image of a black hole located in the heart of the galaxy M87. This monumental achievement, often compared to photographing a donut on the moon from Earth, revealed the shadow of a black hole surrounded by a glowing ring of superheated gas. It was a moment that transcended science, capturing the imagination of people around the world. Black holes, once thought to be purely theoretical, are now a tangible reality, and they continue to challenge our understanding of physics. What lies beyond the event horizon? Is there a way to escape a black hole's gravitational grip? These questions push the boundaries of human knowledge and inspire us to dream bigger. Meanwhile, the search for extraterrestrial life has taken dramatic leaps forward. In 2021, scientists detected phosphine gas in the atmosphere of Venus, a potential sign of microbial life. While the discovery remains controversial, it has reignited interest in our neighboring planet, long dismissed as a hellish world with no hope of harboring life. Similarly, the discovery of thousands of exoplanets, worlds orbiting distant stars, has transformed our understanding of the universe's potential for life. From scorching hot gas giants to icy super-Earths, these planets come in all shapes and sizes, and some even lie within the habitable zone of their stars, where liquid water could exist. Could one of these distant worlds be home to life? The answer may be closer than we think. Closer to home, the moon has once again become a focal point of exploration. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the lunar surface by the mid-2020s, this time with the goal of establishing a sustainable presence. The moon is not just a stepping stone to Mars, it is a treasure trove of scientific opportunities. Its south pole, in particular, is believed to contain vast reserves of water ice, a resource that could support future missions and even serve as a launching pad for deeper space exploration. The moon, once thought to be a barren wasteland, is now seen as a gateway to the stars. But space exploration is not just about reaching new destinations. It's about understanding the forces that shape our universe. One of the most intriguing mysteries is the nature of time itself. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is not a fixed, universal constant, but a fluid dimension that can stretch and warp. Near massive objects like black holes, time slows down, a phenomenon known as time dilation. This means that an astronaut orbiting a black hole could age more slowly than someone on Earth. A concept that sounds like science fiction, but is firmly rooted in science. What does this mean for our understanding of reality? Could time travel ever be possible? These questions challenge our perception of the universe and our place within it. And then there's the multiverse theory, a mind-bending idea that suggests our universe is just one of countless others, each with its own laws of physics. While this concept remains speculative, it has gained traction in recent years as scientists grapple with the fine-tuning of our universe. Why, for instance, do the fundamental constants of nature, like the strength of gravity or the mass of an electron, have the precise values needed for life to exist? Some theorists argue that these constants are not fixed, but vary across the different universes, with ours just happening to be the one where life could arise. If true, this would mean that our universe is just one bubble in an infinite cosmic foam, a humbling thought that redefines our sense of scale. Yet even as we ponder these grand ideas, we must not forget the human element of space exploration. Every mission, every discovery, is the result of countless hours of work by scientists, engineers, and dreamers who dare to push the boundaries of what's possible. Take, for example, the Voyager probes, launched in 1977, which have now left our solar system and entered interstellar space. These tiny spacecraft, carrying golden records with sounds and images of Earth, are a testament to humanity's curiosity and ingenuity. They remind us that space exploration is not just about technology, it's about the human spirit, our desire to reach out and connect with the unknown. And let's not forget the emotional impact of space exploration. When the first images of Earth were beamed back from the moon during the Apollo missions, they changed the way we see our planet. The blue marble, as it came to be known, showed Earth as a fragile, beautiful oasis in the void of space. It was a moment of profound unity, a reminder that we are all passengers on this pale blue dot, bound together by our shared humanity. Today, as we face global challenges like climate change and pandemics, this perspective is more important than ever. Space exploration reminds us that we are part of something much larger than ourselves, a cosmic story that began with the Big Bang and continues to unfold with every passing moment. As we look to the future, the possibilities are endless. Private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are revolutionizing space travel, making it more accessible and affordable. Missions to Mars Asteroid mining and even space tourism are no longer the stuff of dreams, but tangible goals within our reach. And with each new discovery, we are reminded that the universe is not just a place to explore, but a source of endless inspiration. So what lies ahead? Will we find evidence of life beyond Earth? Will we unlock the secrets of dark matter and dark energy? Will we one day travel to the stars and become a multiplanetary species? The answers to these questions are still unknown, but one thing is certain: the journey will be extraordinary. Space exploration is not just about unveiling the universe's secrets. It's about discovering who we are and what we are capable of. It's a journey that transcends science, touching the very essence of what it means to be human. And as we continue to explore, to dream, and to wonder, we are writing the next chapter in the greatest story ever told, the story of the universe and our place within it. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the wonders of space. Your support makes it possible to continue sharing the marvels of the universe with the world. We can keep exploring the stars and uncovering the secrets of the cosmos. Don't forget to check out our playlist for more incredible space content. Until next time, keep looking up.